I have this 6-in-1 multicolor dynamic party light that was sent to me by the brand to review, and it did not disappoint. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. And I know on the listing it does mention that it's like party lights, which you can also use, right? But you can use it for that. But honestly, this is actually pretty cool. And I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to dim the lights and all that and connect it. But I just want to show you just how it looks. You can see, the lights are going to be right here. And if you see here, this is where you're going to connect the power. This is the on and off switch, which you can actually turn it on and turn it off with the remote, or turn it back on with that. And you can also change the modes manually, just by pushing that button. And it's going to come with this remote that you're actually going to use, which is going to be way better than actually pushing it, manually. But you can see all the different modes that it has on here. Turn it on and off. You can make it go by the music. So it has a mic in the back, and it's right here, and it'll actually hear the music and go based off on the beat of the music. And so many different options right here. And I'm gonna go through most of them right now. So let me go ahead and dim the lights. Just come with the power cable and with the adapter. Okay, so I'm gonna show you on this wall, this blank wall right here. Um, and the room is not completely dark, so you can just imagine how it would look when it is dark. And it's actually pretty cool. It really will change the atmosphere, and just the presence of the party. If you really are having a party, um, I was just messing around with it, and you can just do something simple like this. You can do some DJ lights. There's so many things that you can do. You can change the patterns on it as well. You can keep it one, or just multiple ones. Again, there's just so many different choices that you have, and it's just so cool. Like, honestly, I didn't expect this, but I'm definitely going to be using this. That's a strobe, which is it is a little strong, but I just think overall it's really cool. Like I said, if you want just like some stars, just for the night, you just want to have something simple, you can just put that on and just put it on the ceiling, and just relax and just stare at it. It's pretty cool, and you just have so many options to choose from.